Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to turn on less data for WhatsApp calls on Android. If you're someone who wants to save data while using WhatsApp calls, then this tutorial is for you. In this video, we'll take you through the simple steps to turn on less data for WhatsApp calls on Android. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're inside WhatsApp, tap the three dots on the upper right corner of the screen. This will open up a drop-down menu with a few different options. From here, choose Settings. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can configure various WhatsApp settings. Next, choose Storage and Data. This will allow you to manage your WhatsApp storage and data settings. Now turn on Use Less Data for Calls. This option will help you save data while making calls through WhatsApp. It's important to note that turning on this option may affect the quality of your calls. If you have a strong data connection, you may not notice any difference in call quality. However, if you have a weak data connection, you may experience some dropouts or reduced sound quality. If you're using WhatsApp on a limited data plan, turning on this option can help you save a significant amount of data. This is especially useful if you make a lot of calls through WhatsApp. In addition to turning on this option, there are other steps you can take to reduce data usage on WhatsApp. For example, you can avoid sending large files or media through WhatsApp, as these can quickly eat up your data allowance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn on less data for WhatsApp calls on Android. With this setting enabled, you'll be able to save data while making calls through WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.